Hello, this is my CS50 final project. I created a web application for students to calculate their GPA easily. To get started, you have to register on the website. You have to enter a username, password, and re-enter the password to confirm. Once registered, you can log in using your username and password. After logging in, you will be directed to the main page. At first, there is no data to display. To enter your exam results, click the Add Exam Results button. Here, you can enter year of study, the semester, subject code, number of credits, and the grade you received. If you want to clear a data you entered, just click this cross button to reset. After submitting the form, the website calculates and displays your GPA and class, along with the entered data. You can log out once you are done. To view your current GPA and class, you can log in. You can also add another exam result by clicking on Add Exam Results button, same as before. And the GPA and class will update automatically. Thank you for watching, and that was CS50.